Hey YouTube, and thank you for watching Junkworks DIY Garage. So this is the short version of this video. So if you have any questions about anything, please, before you ask below, go ahead and go check out the long version. It will probably answer your question. If it doesn't, then go ahead and leave a comment below on that one. And actually in this video, you'll be seeing this part right here. Now, what this is the whole wiring switch harness security whatever and lock cylinder plus a couple keys that work with this. The only problem with this is now my door key and my ignition key are going to be different, but you can go to the locksmith and get that taken care of if you don't want to have two separate keys, which I may do at some other point. Where I got this at was actually on carparts.com. They had this, and I'll put the price below, but they had this on their website for quite a while for a really good price. Let's go ahead and I'll show you how to pull this switch out. Yet again, I already have a video on taking all this, the plastics and stuff off of here. So you will have to go find that video in my playlist of this truck. To figure out how to get this far, and then I will show you what you need to pull that switch, the whole entire thing, this piece and all, out. There is a hole right here. Now you need your key, and I can't remember if it's part way, halfway, all the way, what it is, but I also got this little Allen wrench right here. Now as long as it fits in this hole, that's all that really matters. It does not matter the size as long as it fits down in this hole. It could be a little bigger than what I have even. But I'm going to put that down in there and just kind of rest it. It'll come to rest on a kind of a hard thing here. And I'm going to turn my key here until I find there's going to be, there we go, right there. I turned it all the way to pretty well on. So I got the key, hopefully you can see that, all the way on. And then if you put that down in there, you'll be able to push on a little button. And I believe you just kind of, while holding down on that, pull out on this. It is not super easy, but it will come at some point. I think I've got it now. There we go. So I had to let off of it. I had to pull on it, get it past that point, and then let off of it for it to come out of here. So there, right there is the switch and all the stuff you need right there. But all in all, the rest of it looks fairly similar. The only thing I see that's a little bit different, and I will keep this because I know in a worst case scenario this will work in this truck here. But right here there's a hole, and I don't know why, and it's capped off by a pretty big plate on this one. So I'm hoping that's not some sort of security thing. But let's see here. We're gonna put this in here, and I don't know. Nope, you don't have to do anything after that. There we go. Now this should, for all intents and purposes, start my truck. We're in park, foot's on the brake, just in case. Made a weird noise, I don't know what the, oh, that was the heater. I need to fix that too. That's for down the road at some other point. All right, let's try her out. Started right up. Put it in gear. And so it should drive down the road. The security light stayed off, all that kind of stuff. There you go. That is how you replace a switch, if that's all you need to do. Yet again, I'm going to go ahead and replace all this stuff. Go watch that video, and then we'll know everything's new, and if I have a problem again, we're going to figure out how to bypass this baby. Thanks for watching Junkworks DIY Garage, where I'm proud to say I'm a jack of all and master of none. You all have a good one.